Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the present value in Excel, really easy and fast. So you type the is and then click on FX at the left top, and then you click on or you search here for present value, so PV, and here will come up. So you click on OK, and here you will see. So this is the rate we're going to calculate back to our present value, so at which rate it has to come back yearly. So we can say like F4 and it was 8%. So our interest rate was 8% the last years or the coming years you predict. And here you go with the numbers. So it's a period of 12 years. And here you go for the F4 future value. So our future value would like to be 6,000. So here you can see our rate is set with F4. You can set it up so it doesn't change in the years. The number is our period, so in the amount now says like we have in 12 years against 8% interest. Each year we have $6,000 at the end. So now we're going to calculate back, and it will say, so it says we have $2,382.68 to invest right now, and then you will see that in 12 years, if we get every year 8% of interest, we would have an amount of 6,000 euros in this case at the end. So this is it. Thank you for watching.